Using hats to hide your thinning hair? Use ours to regrow it. Capillus 272 prevents hair loss and helps hair regrowth. Our Capillus 272 laser therapy cap, it's a medically supervised approach that's clinically proven to regrow hair in both men and women. Just tuck it underneath a regular ball cap and wear it for 30 minutes every other day. It's powered by a portable battery pack, so you can go about your everyday activities while the lasers are at work under your hat. Over the years, studies have shown the effectiveness of laser light therapy for hair regrowth. Capillus's independently reviewed clinical study showed an increase of 51% in hair counts of study participants. The FDA-cleared Capillus 272 device is easy to use and has no known side effects. And best of all, you can use it wherever it's convenient. The Capillus 272 is available only through a medical professional. Visit capillus.com and locate a Capillus physician near you.